Hello guys, welcome to CyberYanX again, and in today's video we're going to discuss what is cybersecurity and why it is so important in today's life. In the present times is the most I think demanding skill in the IT field. So it is a very important part of your life. Maybe if you wanna get a bright future. Further wasting your time, let's roll the intro. So hey guys, welcome to the world of cybersecurity. And the cyber attacks are increasing day by day, and it's so crucial to safeguard your digital world. Everyone have something on the digital world, and it is mandatory to keep those things safe. And this video will gonna help you to unleash the power of cybersecurity and keep your data safe. So the first thing we need to do in cybersecurity is the understanding the cyber threats. What are the threats you need to face? So before we dive into cybersecurity for deep, it's essential to understand the cyber threats that exist. When we going deep in something and we don't know the threats, then what we can do. So that's why cyber threats, we need to understand those things very carefully. Cyber threats are including phishing, malware, ransomware, and more and more. These attacks can damage your data, reputation, and cause financial loss. Did you hear someone saying like he is scanning my networks, or like he is scanning my password, or he is break my passwords? Did you hear this? I think you will, because there are a lot of cybersecurity tools are exist in mainly in Linux operating systems, but we can discuss that later. Okay. So there are many several cybersecurity tools are exist, and that can help you to protect your digital world. These include antivirus software, firewalls, VPNs, and more and more. By using these tools, you can detect and prevent cyber attacks, and stay safe in the online world. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more cybersecurity stuff. See you in the next one.